Bigfoot. People just think he's a story. But you know what? If I'm gonna hunt him down, I'm gonna need something special. And this right here, it's gonna be it. Introducing, soon to be, the Bigfoot Slayer. And when I'm done, this will be the only rifle that can take him down. But right now, it looks like any other airsoft rifle out there. So here's the plan. We're gonna take this guy and turn it into a rifle that can take down the big guy himself. Starting with a custom paint job themed after Bigfoot. It needs camo. And it needs ammo strong enough to take Bigfoot down. Yes, you saw it correctly. Poisonous BBs, soaked in a special formula, poison so deadly that if you touch it, you're done. And that's what we will be loading this big guy with after we're done with the customization. The transformation is coming, and when this is done, the hunt will begin. So follow along, stick around, because the next video, we will start building the Bigfoot Slayer.